In the era of smart manufacturing, Benlong wields technology as its blade, charting the path to soaring success for low-voltage electrical equipment manufacturers. Since 2008, Benlong has focused on one thing, deeply engaged in the fields of low-voltage electrical automation equipment, production lines, and new energy, with lean manufacturing and automation (R&D) as our founding mission, delivering efficient, stable, and traceable comprehensive solutions for modern manufacturing. From a quiet, hard-working startup lab to a national-level high-tech enterprise today, Benlong consistently aligns with national policies and industry trends, engaging in deep collaborative research and development with universities. Each year, 15% of revenue is invested in research and development, driving technological iteration through sustained investment. With nearly 200 patents secured along the way, we continuously fill technological gaps in the industry, building robust innovation barriers through cutting-edge technology. Our team of engineers boasts an average of over 10 years of industry experience, leveraging their professional expertise to ensure quality implementation. We are redefining production with our core algorithms, driving intelligent manufacturing transformation through massive data. High-precision detection ensures stable and consistent test results. Intelligent assembly enables automated precision assembly of circuit breaker components. Flexible production is achieved through parameterized settings, effortlessly meet mixed model production requirements for different models. Data-driven solutions provide enterprises with precise traceability and in-depth analytical support, enabling evidence-based decision-making. We delve into technology, and we believe technology can bring freedom. Free manufacturers from bending over and stooping, and spare quality control personnel from tedious array inspections. The core equipment is equipped with a multi-axis robotic arm, integrated with world-class precision guide rails to achieve micrometer-level operation. Features a built-in high-precision, world-leading servo motor, with robust power and stable output, ensure precise replication of every movement. The integrated industrial camera achieves precise target positioning through AI algorithms, boosting efficiency by over 3 times compared to traditional methods. From globally sourcing core components to independently developing system solutions, we empower enterprises to efficiently transition from traditional manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing. We serve over 1,200 enterprises, earning market trust through proven capabilities. On the production lines of ABB, Siemens, Chint, and DSS, robotic arms trace precise arcs. Benlong's equipment operates continuously at high intensity, never stopping. We have undertaken turnkey projects for automated production lines of electrical components in dozens of Asian and African countries.
Hello, Benlong After Sales Service.
Committed to delivering solutions that exceed expectations for clients across industries worldwide, creating stable and cost-effective long-term value. Driving manufacturing upgrades through technology and customer trust through professionalism. Benlong Automation Technology, embracing the future of smart manufacturing together.